Good morning. Our lessons for today, well, they're not so much lessons as review of what we have done this week. So for open court this morning, I am going to, your ABC song will be linked to the lesson, but we're going to do an assessment this morning, and I will add the pages in the post for you. You can either write the answers, or like you could pull it up and let them look at it and they can write the answers down, or you can print it out and have them circle the answers. I'm just going to read the sheet the way it is. I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, so we are doing an assessment, and I already have it open for you. And this is what the first page looks like. We're still working on Unit 8, so we finished Unit 7, so we are going to take the Unit 7 assessment. Once they get done with their answers, please take a picture of it and upload it to the portfolio. We have been challenged to see how many people kindergarten can get to log in to the portfolio so that students can win a prize. And that prize is a pizza sent to your home. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to read the directions to you, and then we'll go one by one for open court, and all of our lessons will be in this one link because it's just reviewed today. So this activity is about where you hear sounds in words. So listen carefully to the sound I say and the word. Then you're going to draw a line under the answer that tells where the sound is in the word. The answers are beginning, and here is the word beginning, and here's the word end. And let's do number 1 together. Let's do number 1 together so that you could see what it is you're supposed to do. The word is at. Where do you hear the ah sound? Is it in the beginning or the end? Where is the ah sound in at? Where is it? You're correct. It's in the beginning. So you would circle the word beginning or write the word beginning, and make sure you put your name and date on your paper. Okay. Number 2. The word is him. Where do you hear the sound? Is it in the beginning or end? Where is the sound in him? I'm going to erase this circle so that I could slide the page up and you can see the numbers on the page. So that was number 2, him. Where's the sound in him? Number 3, the word is mud. Where do you hear the d sound? Is it the beginning or end? Where is the d in mud? Number 4, the word is cut. Where do you hear the k sound? Is it in the beginning or end? Where is the k in cut? And number 5, the word is net. Where do you hear the sound? Is it in the beginning or end? Where is the in net? Okay, the next page does not have a page. So you're just going to write the word. Just write the word for me. And this page, we are changing the phoneme. We're changing the phoneme. So listen to the word, say, say. If you change the first sound to p, what new word do you have? The word is say. Change the first sound to p. Number 2, listen to the word find. If you change the first sound to k, what new word do you have? The word is find. Change the first sound to k. Listen to this word, over. If you change the first sound to eh, what new word do you have? The word is over. Change the first sound to eh. Listen to this word, wind. If you change the last sound to g, what new word do you have? The word is wind. Change the last sound to g. Listen to this word, shade. If you change the last sound to v, what new word do you have? The word is shade. Change the last sound to v. And parents, I know you want to help them, but let them do it by themselves. And this is a concept that they have trouble with, and it's okay if they do not get them correct. It's okay. It's something that we are continuously working on. Okay, now this part we are going to circle or underline the word, okay? So this activity is about the words you have learned. Listen carefully to what I say. Draw a line or circle the word you think is correct. The word is, number 1, his. The shirt was his gift. Draw a line under his. Number 2, the word is on. Put it on the table. Draw a line under on. Number 3, the word is girl. Emerson is the name of a girl in class. Draw a line under girl. Number 4, the word is did. Did you finish the book? Draw a line under did. Number 5, were. We were looking at the stars. Draw a line under were. And number 6, the word is look. Take a quick look at the score. Draw a line under look. Number 7, the word is what. What is your name? Draw a line under what. Number 8, the word is with. She went shopping with a friend. Draw a line under with. Number 9, her. I would like to see her drawings. Draw a line under her. And the last one, number 10, the word was. The word is was. It was rainy yesterday. Draw a line under was. And that's our open court assessment. Like I said, those are concepts that we have been working on. Changing phonemes and words, as we've been working on that. So let's look at what the next assessments will look like for Unit 8, because that's what we're going to be doing next. We're going to be counting phonemes. So like when we've been finger spelling words, how many sounds are in the word. So that's something you can practice. More high frequency words that they need to know. And those are the, that's the unit assessment for Unit 8. Unit 8. Those are the assessments for Unit 8. Okay, so I'm going to close out that screen. And we're going to go ahead and go into math. Yesterday you started with math stations, and I gave you some ideas of things that you can do for math stations. Please, please, please log into Dreambox today, and you can use that for one of your math stations. Another math station that you can do today, and this could also be used just to check to see if they understand the concept of writing a number sentence, writing the equation. And here's a couple of problems, and I will scan this in. Count and add the sums to 5, and they are to write the equation and the answer and the sum. Write the equation and the sum. And please take a picture of this also and upload it to the portfolio. So remember your number stations. You're counting your beans. Remember we made beans yesterday. We drew our beans. We colored one side red and we left the other side white so that we could shake them in our cup. And we could pour them out and see how many are red, how many are white, and write our number equation. Then we were counting pennies and dimes. We were counting pennies and dimes. How many pennies, how many dimes, and we were adding our sums to 5. And then we have our Legos or blocks that we were using to add and recording, sums of 5, 6, and 7. And you also have Dreambox math that you can do. For open court, once you get done with your assessment, once you get done with that, then you can go on Lexia for 20 minutes. Lexia for 20 minutes. I'm checking today, and I've only had 3 people logging into Lexia and Dreambox. So I want to get some more people on there. I'm looking to see. And I'm giving shout outs to those people that are logging into Lexi and Dreambox. For our science today. For science today. And like I said, today is a review day so that you can catch up on what you are doing. So we're just going to review plant needs. What do plants need to live and grow? What do plants need to live and grow? So let's look at our little slideshow that I have made. So we're talking about plant seeds, and here is your question. What do plants need to live and grow? Okay, and so here is our plant. And I don't have these labeled. What part of the plant is this? What part of the plant is this? You're correct if you said that's the flower. What part of the plant is this? You're correct. These are the leaves. And this long part right here that's growing up out of the ground is the, oh, my word came on roots. And this is the stem. So what do plants need to live and grow? What is this? The sun. They need sunlight. They need water. You're exactly right. They need what? Air and all of this space so that they can grow. And what is this part? That's the soil. That's the soil. And you see that word came in there. It didn't pop in there the way I wanted it to. Okay, so do you see how I made this picture? And I just looked for pictures and I put them on there. This is an activity that you can do also. Have them to draw a plant, label it, and add in the things that they need and grow. And that's something else you can take a picture of and upload to the portfolio. All right, those are our lessons for today. I will upload our links. Once this is converted, and I will be calling and checking in on you later. Have a great day.